When I first decided I wanted to learn rock balancing, I searched for that one video that would explain everything. That one tutorial that would show me the basics, the secrets, the truth behind this art. But all I found were hours of silent videos. No instructions, no guidance, just people balancing stones while the world around them disappeared. So I watched, and I watched, and somewhere in that silence, something shifted. I started noticing what no one was talking about: the micro adjustments, the pauses, the stillness between breaths, the moment a rock begins to speak back. And from those observations, I built my own method, simple, fail proof, and rooted in something far deeper than technique. What began as a search for instructions became a journey into meditation, patience, and presence. And today, for the first time ever, I'm going to share it with you. This might be the first video on the internet that reveals the true meditative techniques behind the art of rock balancing. Techniques that don't just change the way you look at this art form, but the way it changes your life. There was a moment, one very specific moment, when everything changed for me. I remember holding a rock that simply refused to stay. It slipped once, twice, 10 times, and with every fall, I felt that old familiar frustration. The frustration we carry everywhere in life. But then something unusual happened. I stopped fighting the rock, I stopped trying to force the balance, and I started focusing on my breath. And in that silence, I noticed something I had missed for weeks. The rock wasn't really resisting me. It was I that was resisting the rock. Balance wasn't about strength. It wasn't talent. It wasn't even luck. It was about listening, about attention, about letting your mind become as steady as the stone in your hand. That was the moment everything opened up. The moment the stones stopped being objects and became teachers. Because when you truly pay attention, balance isn't something that you create, it is something you uncover. Here's the truth almost no one talks about. Every rock, every object, when it balances on another, it never really rests on one point. It always creates 3 points of contact, 3 anchors, 3 silent coordinates of stability. Anything less than 3 and the balance becomes impossible. This is your job as a balancer, not to force the rock, but to search for those 3 points that nature is hiding from you. The moment the rock touches the surface, the first point reveals itself. If you move it a little, the second one appears. And when you finally uncover the third, the rock stops fighting you. It begins to cooperate. But it's not enough. When those 3 points fall into harmony, the rock stands. But all 3 points must align perfectly in the path of gravity, forming a single invisible line of equilibrium. The fewer the points you use, the closer you get to just 3, the more impossible, magical, and surreal the balance looks. This is the first technique, the foundation of everything that you're about to learn. Finding the 3 points of contact is only the beginning. The real magic happens when you align them with the gravity itself. Think of the 3 points like the legs of a tripod. If even one leg is off the vertical path of gravity, the entire structure collapses. Gravity is unforgiving. It demands perfect balance, not almost. So how do you align the points? You don't do it with force. You do not do it with strength, but with the smallest shifts your body can make. You tilt the rock until you feel the weight distribute equally across the 3 points. Not heavy on one side, not drifting toward another, just perfect and equal. When the weights are spread evenly, something strange happens. The rock stops pulling, it stops sliding. You'll feel a moment, a fraction of a second, where the rock becomes lighter, almost weightless. That micro moment is gravity telling you that you're aligned. When all 3 points sit in that downward path of gravity, the forces around them cancel out. The moment becomes zero, and the rock, no matter how impossible it may look, stands in perfect stillness. That's how you align the 3 points, not by fighting gravity, but by letting it guide you. Once you understand the 3 points of contact and once you know how gravity wants them aligned, there's one more element that changes everything, and that's your breath. Most people don't realize this, but your breath is the single biggest force acting on the rock before it balances. Every inhale lifts it, and every exhale settles it. So here's the breathwork technique that unlocks the entire process. You breathe until your body becomes stiller than the rock you're holding. Inhale slowly, not to force the rock, but to notice which point is carrying the most weight. Is it the left point, the back point, the forward point? Your breath will tell you. Then, as you exhale, let your entire body soften. Your shoulders drop, your jaw loosens, your grip lightens, and in that release, the rock reveals its alignment. When your breath becomes steady, the weight across the 3 points becomes steady. When your breath becomes calm, the balance becomes calm. This art is not performed by your hands, it's performed by your breath. Because the moment your inner turbulence stops, the outer balance begins. If finding the 3 points is science and aligning them in gravity is skill, then the final release is pure surrender. This is the moment everything can collapse. Hours of patience gone in an instant. One wrong breath, one rushed movement, and the entire structure collapses. Most people think the release is just letting go, but it is not. The release is a negotiation with gravity itself. If you pull your hand away too fast, you steal the support the rock was depending on. If you hesitate, you disturb the balance with your fear. The final release requires a kind of softness that's rare in life. You don't move your hand away, you fade away from the rock. Each fingertip leaves the stone in silence, 1 point at a time, without adding the slightest new force. And when the rock stands without you, that is the moment you understand something profound. Balance does not happen when you hold on. Balance happens when you know exactly when and how to let go. Now it's your turn. Start simple and humble. Pick up one loose rock and try to place it upon another. Choose stones that are free, stones that do not disturb their surroundings. Honor the place you're in, respect the land you work on, and then try everything that you have learned in this video. Find the 3 points, align them in gravity, breathe until your body becomes stiller than the stone, and feel the moment, the exact moment when you can let go. When you balance your first rock, click a picture, share it on Instagram, tag me, I'm called Earthling Saurabh on Instagram, and use the hashtag Art of Balance with Saurabh. I'm aiming for 1 million views on this video, and when we hit it, I'll release the next chapter, the deeper techniques, the ones I've never shown before. I will feature the top 20 balances on Instagram, and right here on this channel, I'll review my absolute favorites. This is your invitation to join the art, to find your stillness, and to take your first step into the world of balance.